This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
If necessary, disconnect the electrical connector from the mass airflow sensor. Release the clamps that secure the air filter cover. Then separate the cover from the lower housing and remove the air filter element. Wipe out the inside of the air filter housing. Place the new filter into the filter housing. Make sure it's properly seated. Make sure the top half of the housing is properly seated. Then secure it with the clamps. Then reconnect the electrical connector.